What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a printhead alignment on your Epson Ecotank printer. So to get started guys, we want to make sure our Ecotank is on and has some paper in the rear paper feeder, ready to align our printheads. Now in today's video guys, I'm using an ET-2950 series printer. However guys, if you have a different model of Ecotank, that's completely okay guys. This process will work for any Ecotank that has a control panel in the screen. So if you have like an ET-2800 series, that's completely okay guys. This tutorial will still work because they all have the same software and hardware. So on the inside, guys, they're pretty much exactly the same. It's just like us human beings. So why you might want to do a printhead alignment, guys, is if your prints are coming out a bit skewed, or there are maybe like some gaps, but there's like gaps in your prints, but they're not fading, which might mean your print heads need to be aligned properly, and that there isn't a clog. So to do this, guys, let's get started. We want to go onto the home page of our control panel here, and we just want to go by pressing these buttons, just follow exactly what I do now. So you want to scroll over and go to maintenance here and press OK. And then you want to scroll down, guys, until you find print head alignment. So that's what we're going to look for, guys. And what this will help with, guys, is, you will just get better quality prints if your print heads are better aligned, and you will stop seeing gaps in your prints, hopefully. If you are seeing fading or more serious gaps, then check the guide below, guys, on how to do a print head cleaning, as that should help any fading or big gaps. But let's just start with a print head alignment. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, is a vertical alignment. Now I'm going to show you how to do this. And the first thing you want to do is have some paper ready to print and have some just a little bit of ink in your ink tanks, guys, as this will use just a little bit. And we're going to press print here. So press this button to print, and it's going to print. So it's going to do this in 3 stages, guys. And I'm going to show you exactly what to do with the first sheet of paper that it prints out. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's printed out this sheet of paper, and I'm going to walk you through exactly what to do. So let's get it out here. And guys, the things you want to look for is the number next to, so you want to see the like #1, #2. So these are our columns, and we're going to look through these columns and see what it shows us to do on the screen. So we have to select the pattern that shows no gap or dark line. So if you press OK, now we are looking at number 1, and we are going to see which of our 6 patterns on the first column has no dark line or break in the line. So we want to select the symbol which looks the most like this. So for me, guys, that is probably number 2 or number 3. So once you have looked through, guys, make sure you find the one which looks the best to you, which has no breaks or anything. We're going to go to number 2 on here. So number 1 is our first column, the second one is the best. Now for the second column, we're going to do the same. We're going to have a little look through. And to me, guys, it seems like the third or second column again is probably the best. So luckily for us, it's on number 3. But guys, make sure if yours is like number 6 or something, then make sure you go down to number 6 on your screen here and you select number 6. So we're going to press OK. And that's just the first step. So we are going to print another one, and I'm going to show you what to do with that one. So guys, as you can see, the second sheet has printed out, and it's honestly a similar kind of deal. So obviously we have our 6 columns here, so we're going to have to choose 6 options. So on each column, we have to choose the number which has the best and most fullest, the fullest looking block of ink. So for number 1, guys, for me, it looks like it will be number 6. So let's see what the printer screen has in store. So for number 1, it's not number 4. We have to go up to number 6. Then for number 2, so obviously for this one, guys, we're looking horizontally on each row. So number 2 is going to be number 5 for me. So actually, these are a little bit inaccurate. So guys, make sure you're choosing your own one with the fullest block, because don't just copy me, because your printer might be a little bit different. So number 3, number 4, and that's already done. Number 4 is also number 4, so that's fine. Number 5 is number 3 or 4, that's fine. If you're stuck between two, guys, just pick one. It shouldn't make that much of a difference. And number 3 for number 6 is number 3. So that's just like that. And the last one, guys, I'm going to cut back when this is done. So after all of that, guys, this one is relatively easy. You just have another 2 options here. I'm just going to get rid of those 2. We have another 2 options here. So we're just going to choose, for the first one, we want to choose the pattern which shows no gap or dark line. Very similar to the first sheet of paper we did. And for me, that would be number, to be honest, guys, they're all kind of the same. So have a real good look. Number 5 is probably the best for me. So I'm going to go to number 5 and number 2. Maybe number 3, I would say. Yeah, cool. So then that's done. And then our print head alignment is complete, guys. Now, we can do a horizontal alignment, guys. I'm not going to show you that in this video because it's very rarely needed. But you can, guys, you will get something similar to this. It's honestly the same process. You'll get something similar to this, guys. And you just choose the number, which is the clearest and the clearest looking block of 2 blocks. So for me, honestly, guys, they're all the same, and they probably will be for you too. But that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If this did help, make sure to like and subscribe, as that would help us out so much. And yeah, guys, if you guys are looking for any paper supplies, printer supplies, ink, anything like that, guys, check out our sponsor in the description, guys. We have a great third-party printer supply store. They do on-brand stuff, off-brand stuff, whatever you guys need. They ship worldwide. They're really good, guys. And you'd be helping out a small business, and you would be helping out us. But thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.